Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to do the eyes. You're going to want to drag the picture that you want to use onto your main screen, and then you're going to want to enlarge it so you have a good view of the eyes. It's currently at 25%. I'm going to zoom it up to 400, and then if you just scroll up to the eyes, you have a nice good view of the eye. And then what I like to use when I color the eye is I like to use the airbrush feature, which is this one right here. So then you're going to want to click on that. Then you want to go to mode and change it from normal, which is what it'll be set on. You're going to want to change it to soft light. And then this is going to be the brush you're using, and then the size of the brush itself. The brush options are going to be over here on the layers, channels, paths, and undo. And then you have all your options down here. I like to use the brush with the fuzzied edge. It tends to color a little bit different, and it doesn't have as harsh of a color as the solid brush does. And then another thing I like to do is I like to turn the rate and pressure up because you get a much darker color. So then after you have your brush and your rate and pressure decided, you're going to want to pick your color. I'm going to go with a blue eye. So we're going to start off with kind of light blue. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to start at the top corner and just very carefully follow the eye around. Try not to get outside of the iris, and you don't want to really color the pupil either. And then once you have the one main color down, you're going to want to come back over to your colors again, and to add a little more dimension to the eyes, you're going to want to choose a slightly darker color, and then you're going to want to choose a smaller brush. See how much smaller this brush is? And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to follow very carefully the outline of the eye, just like so. And then one more thing that you can do to add some dimension to the eye is you can come back over here and grab another color. I like to use, if I'm doing blue, I like to use a green color. It doesn't want to be too dark, but you can't use too bright either. You're going to want to just choose a green like that. And then you're going to want to use the same size brush that you used before. And then what you're going to want to very carefully do is just very carefully follow around the pupil in an uneven shape in a circle, just around the pupil in an uneven. And then you're going to want to just leave it like that. And then you're going to want to zoom the picture back out to what it was normally. So then you just go to view, and then you go to zoom. And then you just click revert zoom, and there you go. It's all done.